Alright guys, what is up? Completely random, different video this week. I'm actually in the truck and I am on my way to the mountain bike trails that they have recently put in over the past year on Fort McClellan in Alabama. So no kayak video this week. I'm sorry if you're here for the kayak stuff. It's not going to be a kayak video today. I'm getting into this mountain biking a little bit more, and I figured I would take you guys with me since I'm going to be out here on the trail. I've got some GoPros. Maybe I'll crash because I'm not very good at it, so I don't know. We'll see. If you want to hang out and watch me ride a bike with some buddies, and maybe they'll crash. That'd be a lot better than if I crash. But anyway, we're headed there now. I got the bike loaded up in the back of the truck, and we're going to meet at the trailhead and hop on the trail, and I'm going to take you guys with me. What's up, Brian? You ready to ride?
Yeah.
I raised my seat, but I have no way to raise it back down when we come down. So what we're gonna do is I'll ride one of y'all's bikes down.
Oh, okay.
And I'll ride the hardtail up. Yeah. I'm trying my hiking shoes out today, but I can already tell that I don't think I'm gonna like them. I didn't start my straw. Which way? Go ahead, guys.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Oh my.
What time is it? 4:25. Oh. Give me time. Mountain berry? What's up?
Hey, how you doing?
What? Is it salted watermelon you didn't like?
I'll eat one of those.
I don't need bike. It's a good looking bike. You doing on the back or the It's a good looking bike. Yeah, you farted.
Thank you. This is what Brian does when we stop to rest. He rides circles around us when we're sitting here.
He calls us names.
Makes fun of us. All right, Brian, so from here it's all downhill, right?
Yeah.
This is Sloan's Furnace on top of Fort McClellan. Are you supposed to ring this bell when you go down? Bees! What if I did that and bees just come out?
Done that before. Got stung on the nose, remember?
From what, a bell?
Oh, it was a thing on my mom's
Oh yeah.
porch. I tapped on it and a hornet come out and stung me on the face.
Yeah. This is going to be the free fall. And it should be all downhill from here. God, these shoes suck. Like a step up. Oh, I should have hit that. Holy moly. Dang it. You don't want to get too high there, you'll hit your head on the tree. My feet are all off these pedals. Every freaking bump, I have to pick up my feet. Such a fun ride. Really wish I had a full suspension. About did it. Front tire slid. How y'all doing? Good. There's Kevo. Holy moly. See you, bud. All right, well, that was 4 miles, and every foot of those 4 miles completely kicked my butt. So we are headed back to the house now. I know this week's video was completely different than anything that I usually upload, and I'm really sorry I didn't get a video out last week. I actually filmed a video where I took the trolling motor out, but the footage ended up getting corrupted, so I just said forget it, and I didn't upload anything. So this is kind of a filler video while I try to get that video fixed. If I can't fix it, I'm going to take the kayak back out and we're going to do a whole new test on the new XI3 trolling motor that I installed. But that's going to do it for this week's video. I really appreciate those of you that did watch it and that are still watching. I know that this is just a random biking video, mountain biking video on my channel, but it's something that I do, you know, besides kayaking. I kind of want to share it with you guys. And now I'm going to go home and lay down and lick my wounds from this ride because I am out of shape. And I will catch you guys next Thursday at 2 o'clock. Peace.